بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم نحمده ونصلي ونسلم على رسوله الكريم أما بعد. We are now discussing the maf'ul lahu. What's the maf'ul lahu? We know maf'ul lahu from year one. But in terms of the Arabic, we also know that as well. وَهُوَ مَا وَقَعَ لِأَجْلِهِ الْفَعْلِ. That thing, that reason for which the fail occurred. يُسَمَّى الْمَفْعُولُ لَهُ مَفْعُولًا لِأَجْلِهِ. Yes, so it's called maf'ul lahu in some places, it's also called maf'ulun li'ajlihi. Two different names will come in the book of tafsir, books of Arab and Quran, etc. No, both of them. Now, the maf'ul lahu, for it to be mansoob without a wasita of lam or min, there are a few conditions. So anything that shows the reason will not be mansoob automatically. There are certain conditions. If these conditions are met, then it becomes mansoob bila wasita, and it will become maf'ul lahu. If any of these conditions are missing, you will have to add the lam or the min, sababiyya or lam sababiyya, and it will be maf'ul lahu. It will be muta'alliq with ma'na maf'ul lahu. Have the meaning of maf'ul lahu, but it wouldn't be mansoob. Is that clear to everybody? Yes. Acha. Wa yushtaratu li nasbihi. For it to be considered, for it to be mansoob, for it to be what? Mansoob. The condition is what? It must be a masdar. If it is not a masdar, it will not be mansoob. Are you following? So look, wal arda wada'aha is ishtighal in this, and then lil anam is the if you look at definition, what's the definition of maf'ul? Ma waqa li ajlihi al-fi'l. So if you look at here, ma li ajlihi waqa al-fi'l. Wada'a, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He placed the earth. لأجله, for who? للأنام. But is أنام a masdar? مخلوق, creation. Not a masdar, is it? So that's why you have to have what? Lam. You can't have it وَالْأَرْضَ وَضَاهَا أَنَامًا. You following? So first condition is that the masdar must be a, the maf'ul lahu must be a what? Masdar. Number two, it must be masdaran qalbiyan. For example, سافرت إلى مكة حجا. Can you say حجا? Because hajj is a masdar. Hajj yahujju hajjan. It's a masdar. But it's a fi'l qalb. Hajj is a fi'l jariha. You have to do things with your body. It's not a fi'l qalb. Will it be mansoob? It will be maf'ul lahu in ma'na. You say muta'alliqun al-fi'l ma'na maf'ul lahu. It's a muta'alliq of the fi'l in the meaning of maf'ul lahu, or it's maf'ul lahu ghayr sarih. However, it is not going to be what? It will not be mansoob. And the third condition, أن يكون فاعل الفعل والمصدر متحدا. So if it's فعل القلب, it's masdar, the فعل القلب, but they both have to be occur at the same time. Sorry, the file has to be the same. What has to happen? The file of both the فعل and of the masdar must be the same. They can't be different. So what do we have in our situation? وَالْأَنْعَامَ خَلَقَهَا لَكُمْ. And we created all of the livestock, cows, sheep, goats, cattle. وَالْأَنْعَامَ خَلَقَهَا لَكُمْ. And we created them for you. وَالْخَيْلَ وَالْبِغَالَ وَالْحَمِيرَ لِتَرْكَبُوهَا وَزِينَةً. And we created khayl. Yes? Okay, now example, lakum is not masdar, so you have to bring lam, for you. So li'ajlihi is you, but it's not masdar. We created the khayl, the horses and the mules and the donkeys. litarkabuha. What's litarkabuha? To ride. So now, Nisha gives example. Why can't you say rukuban? It's not what? It's not a fi'l qalb, number one. And number two, the khalaqa fa'il is what? Lafzul jalala. And the irkabuha fa'il is what? The who? The wow, sorry. So it's two conditions not being met here. Yes? Okay. And the fourth condition is, even if is masdar qalbi, the fa'il is the same, the file is the same, what must happen here? The masdar, the fa'il must be the same. Are you following? So for example, أرحم والدي كبيرا لرحمته إياي صغيرا. So rahmat, you can say it's a فعل القلب. You can't, you might say it become فعل القلب, isn't it? But أرحم والدي, so مصدر فعل القلب. Again, this is also a problem. You say what? لرح. He, the file is different, isn't it? File is أرحم, and the file is here is what? Him. And then also أرحم والدي كبيرا. This rahmah took place what? When he's old, long time ago. Right now, present, hal, isn't it? And rahmatihi rahmati iyaya saghiran, this is what? Madi. So there's two problems in this one. This one is what? File is different. The file is different and also the time is different. Are you following me? So what are the four conditions? It must be a masdar qalbi, and the fa'il and the file must be the same. The file must be the same and the zaman must be the same. Yes, it must be a masdaran qalbiyan, and the fa'il of the fa'il and the zaman of the fa'il must be the same. Are you following me? Is it clear to everybody? Yes? Acha. Now in this here, now what happens to zina? We have litarkabuha wa zinatan. Are you following? So some have said that this zina, this become maf'ul lahu. Is it fa'lu qalb? Then there's a whole discussion regarding that. Is it fa'lu qalb or not? Then, but some have said it does become a fa'lu qalb somehow or the other. And then, because litarkabuha is what? Mahallan, what is it? Maf'ul lahu, isn't it? So it's mahallan mansub because maf'ul lahu, but not sarih. It's not explicit, it's implicit. بواسطة حرف جر. It's متعلق بمعنى مفعول له. So zina is أدفع لتركبوها on the mahal. So the tarkabuha is jar majrur, but the mahallan it is mansub. So zina is a maf'ul lahu and it's atf on the mahal of the tarkabuha. And the other possibility is a maf'ul mutlaq of the fa'l mahzuf. لتركبوها وتتزينوا بها زينة. It's become maf'ul mutlaq of a hidden verb. So والخيل والبغال والحمير تركبوها لتركبوها وتتزينوا بها زينة. So it's not linked to خلق. This is not linked to خلق. Rather it's linked to what? لتركبوها وتتزينوا بها. That's two i'rabs in this, two i'rab tafsirs in this one. A few two rules regarding the maf'ul lahu is in the Quran is very common that أن يكون المصدر المؤول مفعولا له بتقدير المضاف. If the maf'ul lahu meaning غير because obviously that is, so when you have اسم مؤول becoming the maf'ul lahu is ما لأجله وقع الفعل, what will say that is a مضاف محذوف. For example, وألقى في الأرض رواسي أن تميد بكم. We have placed mountains in the earth. وألقى في الأرض رواسي. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has placed what? رواسي, راسيات, firm mountains, established heavy mountains. أن تميد بكم. This is a ما لأجله وقع الفعل. It's an اسم مؤول. What is it? What is it becoming? An ismun? It's an ismun mu'awwal. Correct? It's an ismun mu'awwal. Okay? It's an ismun mu'awwal. But we place these mountains on the earth so it shakes with you. What's the purpose of putting the mountains on the earth? So when the earth rotates, it doesn't do what? It doesn't shake. So it doesn't shake. So they say here, karahata is always mahdhuf in these kind of situations. Meaning the Arabs know this context. You don't have to say it. Like we don't say, oh, like if you got a slang word, you don't say, oh, but that's not, if you got a way of speaking, and we understand it, it's like that's how you speak. So you don't say, okay, why is it antamida bikum? It means it. That's why sometimes when people do tafsir of the Quran, trying to make their own stuff up, without looking at the tafsir of the Salaf and looking at the Arabic, they make their own stuff based on their own interpretation. It's like, that's not how the Arabs speak. Are you following me? Yes? So karahata antamida bikum. So we say it has the meaning of, like the Arabs never use the word karahata antamida bikum. But from our understanding is like that kind of meaning is there. Or alternatively, another possibility is you put here la mahzuf. And because Allah and tamid, you can tell Allah is there. So it means Allah tamid bikum. We have placed the mountains in the earth so that it does not shake with you. So here, the masdar mu'awwal, when it comes an masdariya and the ma ba'dahu, it becomes the maf'ul lahu, ay maf'ul lahu ghayr sari lima li ajli waqa al-fa'l. Then usually we have the lam, in negative cases the lam is missing, and you can tell from the context that the lam is not there. Okay, subhanallah wa bihamdi, subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika wa nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk.